These two questions are asking us to look at the graph, and I don't think they're going to take us very long, frankly. I marked both of these with a star during our survey, our question survey step. So let's see if my arrogance is borne out. Okay, question 9. Data in the graph about per pound coffee profits in Tanzania most strongly support which of the following statements? And before we even look at the answers, let's take a look at the graph and let's make a prediction. So the prediction that I made when I first glanced at this graph, so remember, looking at the legend, the dotted line represents fair trade coffee, the straight line represents regular coffee. Over here on the y-axis is money, this is cents of profit per pound, and over here on the x-axis is the year. The dotted line is consistently above the unbroken line, which to me suggests that fair trade coffee is more profitable than regular coffee. Now that's my prediction. Let's see what the answer choices are. A, fair trade coffee consistently earned greater profits than regular coffee earned. Okay, that feels like it's exactly what I just said. B, the profits earned from regular coffee did not fluctuate. I don't think that's true. I think they did, in fact, wiggle around a lot. That's what fluctuate means. Yeah, we can see there's kind of like this loop. I would say that fair trade coffee barely fluctuated. We have this little change up here in 2007 to 2008, but regular coffee is definitely exhibiting some kind of wavy motion. You didn't see it. I just rolled my shoulders in a wavy motion. So I'm going to say that is not true. Fair trade coffee profits increased between 2004 and 2006. No, we just looked at it. It was a straight line until 2007. Fair trade and regular coffee were earning equal profits by 2008. We know that's not true because those two lines never touch. So answer A, fair trade coffee consistently earned greater profits than regular coffee earned, is our answer. Boom. Question 10. Data in the graph indicate that the greatest difference between per pound profits from fair trade coffee and those from regular coffee occurred during which period? And again, let's not look at the answers. Let's just look at the period where there was the greatest difference. Now you can see these two vertical lines that I made during the survey step. I think I already answered this question for us, because the question is, when is the difference between the two, when is the distance between these points the greatest? And it seems to me that is, since fair trade coffee is relatively stable throughout, that the lowest point for regular coffee is between 2002 and 2004, when it was trading at, when the profit was about 21 cents versus a profit of about 130 cents or $1.30 per pound for fair trade. So I'm going to say that the period between 2002 and 2004 was the period of the greatest difference between these two products. Let's see if that's an option. And there it is, 2002 to 2004. We don't even need to look at these other ones. That's just what the graph says. I'm using that same kind of prediction strategy that I've been using throughout this process to knock out these answers. And that's what I want you to bring to quantitative questions as well. The graph tells a story and makes an argument in the same way that the passage does. We just need to ferret it out, make a prediction, and then test our prediction against the answer choices given to us.